Almost a year ago, I started to work on the floor of the hallway, and I needed to chip off the top layer of some kind of concrete-based filler to be able to level this part out again before I could lay my tiles. I love doing these kind of demolitions. It's good fun, even though it's hard work, but it's a great satisfaction to see the difference you make. So demolition and destruction, I know, but the next part, to level the floor, was something that I had never done before, so it took me almost 6 months again to get ready to try it. And it went so and so, but it was nothing that I couldn't fix with sanding with my angle grinder after. My biggest issue with this was that the whole floor was leaning a little bit, so I couldn't level out this part too much because it wouldn't match with the wooden floor.
Sure, there's a way. Water system, and my pain has gone away. Air is much cleaner after rain. Follow my love, the scent that's in spring air. Follow the moon to the sun. There's a call for new beginnings here, but the sorrow of yesterday disappear. Let your body be new. I'm a wanderer of the soul. Before the end, I plan to be whole, but I know I'll lose myself along the way. What's gone is gone. What's past?
I decided that this part of the floor is what's going to show the most, so that's why I'm starting here. So this is where there will be half parted tiles, no, cut tiles.
What's past? Let me know what belongs to me. Road ahead is quite unclear. Let me walk it despite fear. The road stretches over the hills, and I've got many debts to pay. Some are on their own way. My pay is not gold.
Well, I don't know if this is good or bad. I'm just not used to this. Okay, let's see if it fits. Such a perfect match. Okay.
More than you know. A state of mind is set on fear. The end's uncertain, future's near. Follow the voices from below. Wherever I go, there's a chain. My own shackles drive me insane. let your body be new.
I think that's really good. I'm surprised by how easy this is going. A mistake that I did last time when I tiled something was that I didn't remove the excess grout immediately. So it was very hard to remove it once it had hardened. So I'm gonna do that right now. Also removing these plastic thingies. I guess you really don't need them here once everything is in place, because they're really hard to remove, again, when it's hardened. Now, some of you might think, what an idiot to paint that beautiful wooden floor. But I didn't think it was that beautiful compared to the other two. This floor was discolored and a bit damaged. So I thought it would look more beautiful with linseed oil paint. and you might hesitate also to use paint on the floor because it won't look as good in a few years, but with linseed oil paint it wears down in a very beautiful way, so I think it's worth a try. So after some thinking, I decided to not have the floor white. As you can see, it's very dirty, but that's because it was discolored from the pigments of the walls. And I could have easily painted over that, but instead I decided to do it in this shade instead. So it's the same type of paint, I just mixed two samples in the white paint to create an easier paint, an easier color to maintain and keep clean. That's all. I kind of like it. It's a way better match with the tiles than the white, I think. And I hope I made enough because I have no idea how to get the same. Well, I can't match it perfect again, so I will just have to buy some new paint if this is not enough. So I already did one side because I only do half of the floor each time, so I can, still walk in here. So I have about half an hour of my lunch break, and I'm gonna use it to paint this bit again, and then in 2 days I will paint the other part. Now in 2 days I will paint the whole floor and just close everything in here so I can finish the floorboards because it's taking too long.